Okay, this is the crawl space underneath the house, and this is our sump pump. It gets stuck sometimes, as you can see. We put this sump pump in about 6 months ago, and water backs up the pipe. So what I just do is just give it a little shake on the pipe here. You can see it works. For some reason it sticks. Now you'll see the water flowing in from the pipes outside. I think we might need to get a new sump pump. I'm not sure why it's doing that. As you can see, it gets inundated with water. Yeah, so thanks for watching.